Hey there you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be continuing my primary series, so why don't we just begin? So we're going to start off using the Suva Beauty Hydraliner in Space Panda, and we're trying to draw a line that goes upwards, just slightly upwards instead of straight or downwards. After dragging a little bit of product upwards, you can now tell what kind of width you want your brow to be. Grabbing a little bit more product, just go to where you want your brow to end and just go downwards, slightly downwards. You want it to be curved instead of just being an angle. I find this to be an easier technique to drawing a brow.
Mini size and socks, pull them knee high. A cup is just fine with only. Close your eyes, promise you will love it. Just relax tonight with edgy till I die. All these lollies call me. Rubbing on her thigh, she say wet for her. Shawty so kawaii and would die for her.
After that, we use our Pro Concealer to, well, clean up our edges.
These lollies call me. Rubbing on her thigh, she say wet for her. Shawty so kawaii and would die for her. Ride and watch hentai all the time with.
Next, we're going to be using the same concealer as primer, so just put it all over your eyelid. Now, grabbing a black face paint, we're going to be drawing a line that follows our crease, but it exaggerates it just a little bit.
Edgy till I die, all these lollies call me. Rubbing on her thigh, she say wet for her. Shawty so kawaii and would die.
Take your time, because I tried to do it fast and I ended up messing up just a little bit.
Rubbing on her thigh, she say wet for her. Shawty so kawaii and
just going to be extending that line we just created. We're gonna wing it out as far as we can. Next, connect the end of your eye to the end of that winged out line. After that, we just fill in that whole space with that same black face paint. Take your time with this, work in pieces, just take your time because you can easily mess up this part even though it seems simple. A black matte shadow, just apply it all over that black face paint just to set it so it doesn't move. Brushes while you're doing this so you can just be more exact while covering this black face paint. Now apply some black face paint onto the outer half of your lower lash line. Next, top it off with some shadow, then blend it out as best as you can. we apply some cream highlighter onto the high points of our faces. Don't forget to blend it out. Don't forget to highlight your brow bone and your inner corner of your eye. I really don't remember what I was watching, but it was pretty silly what they had said, so I decided to mock them. Sorry. Now, using the Ultimate Glow Kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills, we're going to be grabbing the white shade and applying it all over the cream highlighter. Yellow eyeliner, we're just going to be drawing dots like they're little snowflakes falling from our eyes, or tears, whatever you want to call them. Next, grabbing the Suva Beauty Hydraliner and Cherry Bomb, we're also going to be drawing dots with that red and trying to vary in sizes. Now grabbing Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick in Who's Zooming Who, we're going to be doing the exact thing, except I'm doing it with a more little dangerous object. I repeat, try making them vary in sizes, use different tools, just don't use sharp objects like I did. The white Hydraliner, we're just going to be outlining that black shape we've already done. Moving on to lips, we're going to be using Lime Crime's Velvetine in Black Velvet and just doing our lips as usual. This is my process of like showing you guys the makeup, what looks good on me, what doesn't, and everything just ended up sucking. So this is the final look. I really hope you guys really liked this video. I tried something different. I hope this has some good feedback with you guys. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you guys soon. And yeah, thank you. Bye!